time even. So if you hadn't heard of it, hopefully that's a brief description before we get into setting up the software. So
the Stream Deck Deckers, I don't know what you call them. I cannot keep my hands straight, by the way. But you set up your quick key.
What's up, guys? I'm Random Frank P. Today we're going to be reviewing the Elgato Stream Deck. This is Elgato's newest release, and anybody who is a gamer or a streamer out there.
Wait.
Babe, I'm home.
Oh, hey, babe. How was your day?
Jeffrey Aaron Brandon. What is that?
Oh, this? Nothing. And just an old piece of tech I had found in the storage. Probably been in there for years. I was just digging through there and figured, hey, I better put some of this to use. You know, don't want to be wasteful, right? So, hell, it probably doesn't even work. What's up, tech team? Welcome back to another episode. Today, as you can see, we're taking a look at the Stream Deck Mini. Now, this is not a review. I want to preface by saying that because this has been reviewed many times over. Its big brother has been reviewed many times over. It's just, to me, one of those products that it kind of deserves a second look or a revitalization for the people that really hadn't seen it, because although it's mainly geared for streaming enthusiasts and people that are streaming gaming channels and other things, there's just a lot of other uses. It just happens to be a really good product, especially if you could use some macros in your life. You can get a lot of things done, help your productivity, that kind of thing. So what we're gonna do is just take a real quick look at the outside of it, what it looks like, what it does. We'll roll a montage here in a minute. Again, I'm not gonna review this. I just want you guys to know that this is something that you really ought to take a look at. That's right. This one in particular is nice and small, only has 6 buttons, but believe me, there's infinite possibilities. You can program macros within macros within macros and open folders, create folders. Really cool, the amount of flexibility that you can have here. And I just think it's worth looking at. The other thing, it's on sale. So it brings me to another point that, you know, sometimes we can get caught up in the technology we buy and we can almost become tech addicts because technology has become so infused in our lives that it really is almost an addiction of sorts. So, you know, in the start of the video, you see me watching a YouTube video of something that catches my interest and I'm out of there to go get it. And honestly, that's happened more times than I can count, and that's not necessarily the best way to buy tech. Not only from a point of view of you haven't really researched it enough or know what you're spending your money on, but mostly because that's just a good way to get yourself out of sorts in terms of your budget. But I'm not here to give you financial advice. I just wanted to bring that up. I buy my tech like that sometimes. In 2019, I've kind of made a vow that I'm going to be a little more responsible about the things I buy and try to really focus in on things that are needed or are going to really give me a productivity boost that I can see, something tangible. So take it for what it's worth. Again, this channel is just here to introduce you to new tech and give you new ideas that maybe you could use in your studio, in your office, in your daily vlogging, in your daily whatever. So it's the tech that surrounds our lives, and that's really all I got to say about it. Go check this out. It's something good. Roll that montage.